2004 Holiday Rambler Vacationer for sale in Kiowa, Colorado 80117. Spread your wings and fly with this 2004 Holiday Rambler Vacationer. This Class A motorhome is 37 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered 8.1.1 Workhorse gasoline engine and chassis mated with an 5-speed Allison automatic transmission. This RV has 2 large slide-outs with the bedroom slide that includes closets, which allows for a large dressing area and 1 awning. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, leveling system and backup camera. With only 42,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Holiday Rambler will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2004 Holiday Rambler Vacationer is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include solid surface countertops, 2-burner cooktop, microwave, convection oven, 4-door refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with bench seating that folds down into a kid's bed, sofa with air, BedChairLarge bathroom and shower with SkylightMaster, queen-size BedFull, master closet / DresserDrivers, door with power window, OptionSafe-T-Steering at $500 plus labor, new tires and batteries, in 20174,000 miles on tires, and so much more. This 2004 Holiday Rambler Vacationer is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Holiday Rambler is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2004 Holiday Rambler Vacationer.